Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm excited to go through this month's Macy's Beauty Box. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty Box, it is a $15 a month subscription that Macy's puts out with samples of products that you can get in their beauty department. You're going to get a variety of samples, skincare, makeup, different things. Usually perfume samples. I say usually because the last couple boxes didn't have any. Well, the last one didn't have any and the one before that just had one, but it actually listed that you should be getting perfume samples. So hopefully we'll get some this month, and you will always get one surprise item as well. So I'm excited to get into this one with you, and let's see what Macy's sent us in April. And I'm probably going to say this every single time I open a Macy's box, but seriously, the glue, so sticky. You can't help but stick your fingers in it. And then you have to unstick it to get it off. But that's how they seal them. But what I'm going to do this time, just because last time everything stuck to it, I'm going to fold it over so it doesn't stick to me anymore. And once you get inside of it, once you fully open it, it kind of falls apart. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, I'm going to show you what I just saw. Typically, you're going to get a $5 coupon every month in your box. That's all I've ever gotten. This one actually came, I'm going to cover up because I'm going to use it, a $10 off $40 coupon. So that's awesome. I don't know yet what I'm going to use it on, but I'm going to find something. It always comes nicely tissue wrapped. I'm just going to dump everything out in the box so I can see what we've got. Oh, this is a full one. I'm going to say this is our free item. Super cute. I'm going to take it out and show you. We have two cute little acrylic pink clips. I don't really use clips in my hair too much, but for the occasion, we can have a little clip. I wonder how that would look with two. Yeah, I don't think this is really me, but you know what? It's free, so it works. I think I like it better with just one. So we have a couple of little acrylic clippies. It also comes with two little beauty pads, blending pads, powder pads, whatever you want to use these for. The corners are good for getting up under your eye for powder, or however you want to use these. So little makeup blenders and a couple little clippies. So that was our free one. Let me stick these back in the bag. I think I'll leave the little clippy out. What do you think? When I was younger, I don't know how many of you guys will remember these, and of course everything old is new again, so they're probably coming back, but we used to get these little bitty tiny clips, same kind of clips we have now, but super tiny ones, and you would twist your hair up and clip it, twist your hair up and clip it, and all that fun stuff. So I did tons of that. The little butterfly, the ones that actually were butterflies that clipped. So I'm not a stranger to little clippies in my hair, but there you go. All right, the next thing we have is I'm Rose sheet mask from Tony Moly. So if you watch my channel much, you know we do a Korean beauty box, Pink Soul, and Tony Moly is a Korean beauty product company. So we got in a couple of Macy boxes ago. I think it was the one around December because it was gingerbread. We had some hand masks, you know, 2 hand masks in a package. And I loved those so much. I ordered 5 more from Macy's, and I'm kind of being sparing with them because they don't have them anymore. I went on to order a few more. I went with my little coupon that I got in my last Macy's box, and they don't have the Tony Moly hand masks. At least not that one. I don't think I saw any specifically Tony Moly hand mask, but they didn't have the one I like a lot anymore. But this is a Tony Moly face mask, so I'm excited to give that a try. Just from the pictures in the back, it's your typical all-in-one sheet mask that always slide off your face and are hard to get on, but we use them anyway because we just do. The next item we have in here, you guys, there's so much in this box. Oh, I gotta see what this one is just because it's cute. This is from Nude Sticks, and it looks like a lip balm. The one thing they don't do with Macy's is tell you what you got on a card, but this looks like it says Magenta Magic. I mean, you can see the color and the center part. I'm not sure. I got to find out if this is a lip product or a blush, just because I'm not sure. I finally got to read that, and this is a blush. So That, I don't know if I have any blushes that specific color. I've got a really pretty pink one that I got from P. Louise that I use. That is super pretty. So it's going to be a matte blush. Let me see what that looks like. That is very similar to the one I have. Let's see how, you can see that's just one swipe. It is super pigmented, but you can blend it out really nice. You have to, when I first started blending it, I could clearly see the outline of the swipe. So I had to keep kind of rubbing on it to get that to blend out. But once you get it going, it's a really pretty pink color. I like that. The next thing we got is Max Stack. And this is a Super Stack Mega Brush, Mega Brush. I'm going to say mascara. Yes, mascara. If I can get it out, I will show you. Okay, so this is the Max Stack mascara. It says it's a mega brush. Let's see what they call a mega brush. Whoa. I'd say the wand is mega. It's a little thicker of a wand than I've ever seen, but the brush is pretty typical, but it is a good size brush. I feel like it's longer, maybe that's what they're saying, mega. It's longer than a typical mascara brush, at least the ones I have. So I will try that. I've said before, I keep a little emergency stash of makeup, a little bit in my purse and some at work, just in case I ran out the door, didn't have enough coffee, and forgot to put on something that I needed, my mascara or something. So this might become one of those. The next thing we have, and I 100% have used this before, this is Idly Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara. This is a very familiar package. I've gotten this one in probably Ipsy or Birchbox back when I used to get them. But this is the Lancome mascara. This is the Idly from Lancome. So we've got two mascaras in here. Ooh, that's interesting. It's got a little bit of a curve to it. But the bristles feel more like a plastic bristle versus a fiber bristle. I could be wrong, but just looking at it. So two mascaras and a blush. But there's more. So this is a really full box. We also got from Tarte a Juicy Lip Balm, a little teeny lip balm. This again is another purse size one. I just actually today I had been putting this lipstick to go with that, and then forget to take it out, and then put in this lipstick to go with that so I can reapply while I'm out. And I ended up with my purse weighing like 10 pounds with the things I added to it. So I cleaned it out today, but this size little lip product is excellent for purses, and it's got some color. So it gives you something to apply during the day without weighing your purse down. And that is a beautiful color. I love that kind of color. It's just a real neutral kind of, it's almost no color. It's really strictly a very lightly tinted lip balm. Perfect. I love that. So that's going in my purse. There's still more in here, you guys. I feel like maybe they're making it for not giving us as much stuff. The last couple boxes felt a little skimpy to me. This one is overloaded almost. The next thing we have is YSL skincare one-use packet, and this is, it's another balm. So I will have to look at this as, because it's in a packet, I feel like it's for your skin, not for your lips. I will have to look into this and see what kind of balm it is, but we got a YSL. I'll let you look at it and you can figure it out for yourself if you're curious as well. I just am not familiar with this product, so I'm not sure if it's a skin balm or a lip balm, but because it's in a pouch, I feel like it's skin. All right, that is all the products, but we did get perfume this month. We did just get one. This is Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb Tiger Lily. I really don't know how many flower bomb fragrances they have, but they have been growing this line. I've always liked the ones of Viktor & Rolf that I've smelled, and they do come in kind of a little grenade shaped perfume bottle. But I'm going to smell this one. It says it's got top notes are tiger lily, then middle notes coconut, and then the background notes are going to be mango. Interesting. It really only half full, so there's not a full sample bottle in here, but certainly enough to give it a try and see if you like it. It is definitely a soft floral fragrance. I don't get a ton of coconut, Yes, I do. I smell the coconut. I smell the fruity floral. So you can, this is a really nice one. So for this month's Macy's box, we got our free little clippy and makeup applicators. We got a mask. We got 2 mascaras. We got a blush. We got a lip balm. We got a YSL sample, and we got a perfume. And to top it all off, we got a $10 coupon this month instead of a $5 coupon this month. Excellent, excellent box, Macy's. Way to step it up. I love it. $15 for this box. This one is got to be close to a good full size for being a blush. Oh, I'm going to roll it up and see how much is actually in here. There's that much in there plus whatever's hiding below the edge. For me, this is a long time use. I will take forever to go through all this blush. So really great. This is not just a sample size. This is a deluxe sample size, travel size, probably one to take with you. And of course the mask is full size. So because it's a mask, can't do a sample size of a mask and still have one. So for a $15 box that's traditionally just samples, they're doing really good. I love it. So thank you guys so much for going through the Macy's box for April with me today. I enjoy this one a lot. Tell me if you also get this subscription box and if you got the same stuff. And if you did, what do you think of your box and your samples? Did you feel like you got more for your money this month than maybe the last few months like I do? I really feel like we did. Thank you so much, all of you guys, for watching. Those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps me grow the channel and gives me a good reason to add another box or two to my monthly reviews. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching Beth Unboxes, and you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.